How to deactivate your Uber account. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to deactivate your Uber account. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Uber app and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to deactivate. So what I'm going to do here is I'm already logged in. So you're going to have to find your account section at the bottom right. Now once you tap on it, you'll get to your profile page. Now find the settings menu right here at the top. Now from the settings page, you can have an option to manage your account. So tap on privacy. And once you land on this page, you have your privacy center. So you can control what you share with Uber. And right under location sharing, you have an option to delete your account. So tap on account deletion, but you're going to have to verify your identity for security reasons. So tap on continue. Now just enter your phone or email that's connected to your account. So you're basically going to have to log in again. Now they will send you a code on your phone number, so you can enter the code, or you can just log in with email if you want. Check your email to get the code. Once you get the code, just enter it on the given field and then tap on next. And once the code has been verified, you could just go ahead and enter the code again from your phone number. And once you do that, you should be able to deactivate your account. And after 30 days, all of your data will be lost. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.